Euro USD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about euro against dollar. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share. And below the video you'll find some links. It says swing like a pro here, and then you can join my free Telegram for sure. And you can check out the brokers, or you can book consultation with me as well. If you want to talk to me, you can book one-to-one consultation. So go and check out everything. The first link says swing like a pro. So come to this page right here and you can see these setups, the trades which we have taken recently. And if you want to join this program, go and check this out and join it if you want. And let's get back to the charts now, starting the top down approach with the weekly time frame. Weekly, let me see. We left the resistance here, then new low pullback, and we are going down. So I told you right here we're gonna go down. Then this was your new low. This all we in the, like 2 months was a pullback in weekly. Whatever, weekly doesn't give us what's going to happen tomorrow, right? So daily, where are we? Daily, we are dripping. So daily, we are down. We left the resistance here. So we are down. 4 hour is again, we are down. So what we're going to do? We're going to find short entries. Okay, wait for the pullback. This is your double top. So wait for the pullback and then look for shorts. So, if this high breaks, we'll look for longs. For now, let the pullback happen and look for long. So short after each pullback for now. And things keep changing. So what I see right now, I'm talking about that only. If you want precise entry exits in the live market with me, then check out my Swing Like a Pro program. Come here and check this out. Join it so that you can enter and exit with me. And subscribe, like, and share. And till then, take care.